My name is Vikas Rathee and I am the instructor for History of India, Part 6 from 1750 to 1857. This course covers the period after the decline of the Mughals and before the consolidation of the British rule. It is an opportunity to learn about different historical phenomena, political and social theories, and philosophical questions. How was the pre-colonial society different from colonial society? Was this transition difficult or easy? What is the opinion of different schools of history on these issues? And what kind of data do they use? This course is designed to fit into the CBCS Bachelor's Course Scheme. It is worth 5 credits, consists of 50 lessons and is taught over 15 weeks. The course delivery shall include video lectures, reading material and graded assignments. There will be an end semester exam for those interested in getting a certificate. Thank you.